Set a password for your family budget spreadsheet, and now you can't remember it? Downloaded a PDF you need to edit, but are left helpless? That precious zip file of travel memories just won't open? Inherited an encrypted project file from a former colleague that's now useless? Waiting endlessly for a client to send a password for an encrypted contract? Have these frustrating problems ever brought your productivity to a halt? Now, let TunesKit File Password Recovery solve them for you with ease. It efficiently recovers open passwords for Excel, Word, PowerPoint, PDF, RAR, and zip files. It also one-click removes editing and restriction passwords from files, giving you back full control. Its 3 built-in smart attack engines, dictionary attack, combination attack, and brute force attack. Choose the most efficient method for any scenario. Powered by powerful algorithms, it achieves a success rate of up to 99.9%. Witness the magic yourself in just a few simple steps. Select a file type to unlock. Select a method to unlock the Office file. Import files that need to be unlocked. Method 1. Dictionary attack. Recovering password for Excel file. Password recovered successfully. Method 2. Combination attack. Provide known password details. Recovering password for Word file. Pause and resume anytime. Password recovered successfully. Method 3. Brute force attack. Recovering password for PPT file. Password recovered successfully. Now, remove restrictions. Import file to remove restrictions. Removing restrictions. Restrictions removed successfully. TunesKit File Password Recovery. Unlock the true value of every file.